everyone, this is Anam and you're watching Biology Nexus. Welcome to another episode of Daily Dose. In today's video, we're going to discuss about the basic and faster English sentences. So let's get started. So sentence number 1 we have, in basic English, we say, I will let you know. And in faster English, we say, I'll let you know. I'll let you know. Number 2. Did you do it? It's basic English. And you can say in faster English, did you do it? Or you say, did you do it? Number 3. In basic English, you say, she has not done it. While in faster English, you say, she ain't done it. Or you say, she ain't done it. Number 4. In basic English, you say, I read a lot of books. While in faster English, you can say, I read a lot of books. Or you say, I read a lot of books. Number 5. In basic English, you say, I have to work now. While in faster English, you can say, I have to work now. You say, I have to work now. Number 6. Give me that now. It's basic English, and in faster English, you can say, give me that now. But you say, give me that now. So these are some sentences you can say faster. If you like this video, hit the like button and enjoy more videos like that on the Daily Dose on Biology Nexus. Keep watching. Happy learning.